Hi, my dear YouTube fragrance friends. How are you doing today? Today, guys, I would like to tribute this video for males, for mans or man perfumes, Middle Eastern perfumes, just kind of to review them again, because many times I ask which Middle Eastern perfumes are good or which one is bad, which one is not good, like which one is worth buying, which one is fresh, which one is nice. So from those three brands that I have discovered, Al REHAB, LATTAFA, and ARD Al ZAAFARAN, guys. So I will show you 16 perfumes, that could be kind of, if you are a man, that you could consider getting, to get the perfumes from Middle Eastern brands because they are very cheap. So I'm going to show you now 16 perfumes. So first perfume, I'm going to sip it, this tea. It's a chamomile tea, guys. I'm drinking chamomile tea. Do you guys drink chamomile tea as well? What type of tea are you drinking normally? Is it just green tea, or you guys are discovering some different type of teas that exist in the world? Like, mint tea, there is red bush tea, and there is like many other teas. Myself, I really like chamomile tea. So that's my tea to go, guys. So I have this perfume. It's LATTAFA leather. It's actually a leather perfume. It's LATTAFA. I will show you guys. I normally keep my perfumes, guys, in the boxes. The reason why, because it helps, to protect from the light, and so the perfume wouldn't expire. If you would ask me which year this perfume is made, guys, I could tell you right now, but I don't think it's written. It just says 36 months from opening, guys. So very often I'm asked, what year was the perfume made. It's not written on this particular one. So LATTAFA leather, guys. LATTAFA leather perfume. I like this perfume. I wear it once in 2 weeks or once in a week, and every time I'm wearing it, guys, it makes me very happy. It's a beautiful floral leather perfume, suitable for both. It's unisex perfume, but if you talk about two leather perfumes, which is velvet oud and leather, I would say that one, the other one is this one, guys. It's velvet oud. Is slightly leaning towards more masculine than this one. So let's say if you are a lady that wants to get, leather perfume, and you are choosing in between of them two, then go with that one. If you are a man choosing in between of those two, go with that one, guys, velvet oud. I will do video soon about these two perfumes to compare them a little bit more. I, as a lady, guys, I prefer LATTAFA leather because it's a little bit more floral to me, So now, velvet oud. So this perfume has a beautiful velvety type of box, and everything is so beautiful, guys. It's fantastic. Everything. It's a bit. This perfume, guys, is a little bit stronger. Like they always say, there is citrus in this perfume, but the leather blast is what hits you the most. I was using this perfume in a hot weather one time when I was just bought this perfume and I was testing, and I found this perfume slightly overpowering in the warm conditions, in the hot weather conditions. But really, guys, type of man should consider, to wear it. I consider this perfume mysterious perfume, guys. If you like leather perfumes, you could try it. Maybe don't expect it to be your favorite perfume, but that type of perfume that has a character and strength, and that type of perfume that it will be, standing on the shelves, and you wouldn't use it every day, you wouldn't, but you would sometimes would remember, and you would take it and you would spray it yourself, and you would be smelling like a leather. You should not spray it, more than 4 sprays if you don't want to overpower other people. Not very suitable for work, unless you do 1 spray, or unless you are testing this perfume. So velvet oud, this type of leather perfume that LATTAFA has, Another perfume, guys, that I would like to recommend you first, like, let's say this is the perfume, guys. I will show you. Is it written somewhere? Badi Al Oud. Badi Al Oud. And this by LATTAFA. It's a very famous perfume, guys. This perfume is extremely famous from LATTAFA brand. I bought it later on, you know, after starting to discover these perfumes. But if I would have a choice right now, I would, guys, buy it first. You know, one of those first purchasing perfumes. This one should be on your list. So let's say if you are, guys, are like completely undecided what you want to try from LATTAFA, simply forget about everything and just get this perfume. You know, it's one of the perfumes that, you know, kind of you should have in your collection. So Badi Al Oud, guys, this perfume, like, it's just surprise you with this type of bottle, you know, with this type of beautiful bottle. I always remember, guys, that this perfume has lavender, and those has some kind of like other, you know, notes. Like, consider it, guys, as a Middle Eastern notes, but in a more type of, you know, better way, made in a more unique, complex way that wouldn't be too much overpowering for your nose. It's a kind of perfume that I think really draws everybody's attention, you know, when you are wearing it. And very often you might hear that sometimes, let's say, if a lady buy this perfume, which is actually, it's unisex, guys, sometimes they might say, you know, maybe sometimes they feel this type of masculine note in there that perhaps they don't like, you know. But I like this perfume, guys. I really like it. I would say if you are a man, you should not afraid to buy this perfume, and it should be, guys, on your list to buy, you know. In other words, is some kind of dupe for Oud for Glory, guys, which I have never, guys, purchased before. So that's the perfume. I recommend you guys 100%. Okay, it's very cozy perfume. But the another perfume that I have is Nadja perfume, guys. This type of beautiful leaf. I bought this perfume because of this beautiful leaf, guys. That's why I bought it. I didn't knew that basically it's kind of masculine scent, because on Amazon they always write that it's unisex. What's good about this thing is that when you open, they also have this sprayer which is completely different from this perfume that we have here. It's basically sprayer of Lyle Maleki, you know. So if you want to try, let's say, this perfume, and plus you want to try Lyle Maleki just to see how is the smell, then you can get this box, especially when it's really not expensive. So that actually is the positive side about purchasing this perfume, guys. So once you take it out, you see this fantastic bottle that, you know, I would completely understand, guys, that man would be, you know, very happy, guys, to, you know, to give it a go, because it looks kind of a little bit maybe masculine, isn't it? And it's due for Invictus Aqua. That's what I heard. When I unboxed this perfume for the first time, I was slightly disappointed, because I wanted this perfume to be, you know, wearable for a lady, but it wasn't. It was just kind of manly, freshy, very type of common, you know. That type of freshy that is kind of classic freshy, you know, not like Acqua di Gio, but more like some kind of freshy mixed with some kind of spices. It's a good perfume for man. Simple, good perfume. Nothing too much, like it's not too bad for the price, you know, like something that like I don't know, just nothing really, like nothing much you could say, you know. Citrusy, spicy, that type of fresh, manly, not overpowering, not unique. It's not like as if something you haven't seen before, guys. You have seen this before. You have seen this, guys, before. I'm 100% sure. So that would be another perfume. And then, guys, we have this one. So this one, guys, is Dirham Gold. Dirham Gold, it's, to me, guys, it's similar to this, kind of little bit similar, that simplicity, you know, similar to Nadja, you know, in a way, but maybe slightly better, like in some way. yeah, it's a bit better, guys. Like, let's say ARD Al ZAAFARAN. This is ARD Al ZAAFARAN, the REHAB gold. And let's say if you compare to LATTAFA, so I think this one is slightly more type of, type of more, that freshness is more likable, So like, let's say if you like to buy fresh perfume that wouldn't be heavy and you are looking at LATTAFA side, maybe have a look at ARD Al ZAAFARAN better for yourself, have a look at ARD Al ZAAFARAN, guys. You know what I'm thinking, guys? I'm thinking perhaps I should do part 1 and part 2 of this video because it can be really long. So that's what I'm going to do. But let's finish about this one. This perfume, it reminded me of many other designer perfumes that are classic for men. Let's say this perfume, maybe it's slightly more interesting than Acqua di Gio, because Acqua di Gio, it's kind of only freshness, but this one has freshness and that type of slightly like a comfortable for the nose spiciness as well. So, and plus the price is very comfortable to look at as well, so that's what I would like to say. For a lady, I couldn't wear it, guys, because no matter what I do, no matter how much perfumes I mix it together, it's just simply that freshness, manly freshness is, powers through, and as a lady, I couldn't wear this perfume, but I got this Dirham Vardi pink bottle, and that perfume is just brilliant. It's for ladies, so that's for man, guys. That's absolutely for man. Not expensive perfume. You know what, guys, I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna do part 2 of this video so we can continue, because it's just too many perfumes that I collected as for now. Remember to turn into my part 2 of the man perfumes, man collection perfumes. From these that I have reviewed, let's say which one is the best, I'm gonna tell you right now, guys. I was just looking at it, and I think, guys, that these two are the best, in my opinion, for men. And which one of those two are better? This one. It's LATTAFA's Oud Al Badi Al Oud, this one. This perfume is not fresh, This perfume has freshness and tiny bit of spiciness, but this perfume has this type of extremely delicate, unique type of unseen spiciness that you might be very, very surprised, and you will smell very, very interesting with this perfume. So I'm gonna finish, guys, this video at that and come back to my second part of this video. I'll be back to you soon, guys. Bye bye.